This video is an overview on how to back up to CT's secure cloud using Veeam Agent for Windows. Now, Veeam Agent comes in a couple of different flavors. There's the free edition, the workstation, and the server edition. Today we're focusing mainly on the server edition. The free version will not let you back up to cloud, but the workstation and server edition will. However, the advantage of the server edition is support for application-aware processing, change block tracking, and SQL. So once the Veeam Agent is installed, which is quite a simple process, it will prompt you to create your recovery media, which I recommend you do, and that's to enable bare metal restores. Once you've done that, you can go and set up the backup job. Now, by default, it will only let you create a single backup job. There are feature requests to expand on this, but for the purposes of this demo, we're just going to run through a single backup job to our cloud infrastructure. So it would be a full server or workstation backup job to Veeam Cloud Connect repository. And now we proceed to enter in the repository URL details, which will have been provided to you by your account manager. I'll just type those in now. So your URL may vary slightly. Excuse me. You'll notice that the default port is 6118. You must make sure that that's allowed outbound on your firewall if you have restricted firewall policy in place. You can verify that the certificate is correct, and then enter your account credentials. Again, you'll have been provided these on an email. Now at this point, it will go and scan the repository for any resources that have been made available to you, and we have a 5 terabyte repository available to us. If we go to advanced, you'll see most of the options. There aren't too many. To be honest, you don't need to do much, but it is worth obviously selecting WAN target optimization because we are backing up to a WAN target. It's also worth setting up a password for your encryption to protect your data as it is yours. And the other thing you can do is perform health checks and defragment the backup files periodically, because it will be a continuous backup chain in the cloud. And how many restore points you want to keep. This again, you should have agreed with the account manager because it will massively impact the amount of space you need. 7 is a reasonable number. If you wanted to cover, say, for example, Christmas holidays, then 14 is also another reasonable number. Don't need to worry about the backup cache. Obviously, you want to enable application-aware processing, so you get a good, consistent backup. The file indexing isn't necessary. And then set a schedule. So if you're running a different backup for your on-premise backup, then you obviously want to make sure that this runs after that. Now you can set this to run every day or, for example, weekdays only. It's entirely your preference. Click apply. Give it a moment to ratify the settings we've added. And then you can either run the job now or let it run when the schedule was set for, and you can have a quick skim down here and just check everything is as you expected it to be. Okay, and click finish. That is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video informative.